Oh, hello there. Welcome to Panda's Kitchen. Today we are going to make ramen fried rice. To the party, but ramen fried rice is kind of a trend right now where you use the seasoning in the ramen packet to make a delicious fried rice and you stuff it back into the bowl. It makes for a really cool presentation. It tastes really good, and most important of all, super easy to make. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so the only thing that we are prepping is this green onion. So I just have one stick of this. I'm just gonna take off any of these nasty looking bits, cut off the hairy bit. So for long pieces like this, we can actually cut it in half, and then we can cut it all at once. Alright, green onion is chopped, set it off to the side. You can leave it on the cutting board because we're not cutting anything else. Alright, so we'll prep the ramen. I just have this Jin ramen here, and this is a very popular brand of instant ramen in Korea. This is vegan, so there's no fish stock or beef stock, which is typically found in ramen. So if you're looking for a good Korean plant-based ramen, Jin ramen's a good brand. Inside we have a spice packet and the dehydrated vegetables. Some instant ramens just have the dehydrated vegetables in the noodles already, and that's fine because they're gonna go together. Grab the noodles and just put it in a bowl, and then we're also gonna throw the dehydrated vegetables in here. But we do need to save this cup, so don't throw this away. I'm just gonna go ahead and crush the noodles into small bite-sized pieces. It doesn't matter really what ramen you use, but obviously whatever ramen you choose, most of the flavor is going to come from here. We are prepped with the ramen, and now let's get our rice ready. I just have a cup of leftover rice. This is sushi rice actually, but you can use any rice you want. A very common technique is putting an egg in here and mixing it up together. That is called golden fried rice. I have always wanted to try a plant-based version of that, and I think we can pull it off with just egg today. 3 tablespoons equals 1 egg. Along with the just egg, I'm gonna go in half of the packet of this seasoning packet, and we're gonna save the rest for the noodles when they're done cooking. And we're gonna mix this well. And the idea of putting the egg before you cook it is going to coat every single grain of rice with egg, and so when you cook it, it's gonna be very crispy and just delicious. Our rice is prepped. Actually, all of our prep is done. Let's move over to the stove. Okay, so I have a frying pan here on medium heat. Put in a splash of oil. I'm using avocado oil, but use whatever you want. The ramen straight in. And so what we're trying to do is toast the ramen until it becomes a little golden brown. So this can take about 2 minutes. So I got some bigger pieces here, but that's fine. I don't mind it, but you do whatever you want. So once all the ramen is coated with the oil, go in with the rest of that spice packet. Okay, so now that these are done, set them off to another bowl. Now I jacked up the heat to medium-high. Go in with a tablespoon of butter. Go in with the green onions. And then go in with your rice. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. You see how the rice is getting so crispy? It's because the just egg is coating the outside of it. It's beautiful. Cook this until the rice becomes golden brown. I'm gonna add the ramen back in. And at this point, we're just heating everything through. So that's done. Here comes the magic. So with a little bit of sesame oil, we're just gonna coat the bottom of it. So that's enough right there. A generous amount of sesame seed. We're just gonna shake that around. Now you're just going to layer the fried rice into the cup. Try to get an even layer on top. Push everything down. Grab a bowl or whatever you're gonna eat this in. Flip it upside down. Put it on top like this. Flip. Just slowly lift up. And look at that. Ramen fried rice. Oh, that looks impressive. That took like no time at all, and it smells so freaking good. I mean, the presentation on this is like one of a kind. Like, look at that. It's a tower of fried rice and crispy ramen. I'm just gonna smash this down with my spoon, but I wanna get an angle for you guys here. We're just gonna, oh, hell yes. I'm so freaking ready for this. For science. Just kidding, this is not that show. But check it out if you haven't already. Wowee, that's good. Ooh, the just egg is like covering like every single grain of rice, and it just got crispy, and the textures are just so good here. Honestly, just egg is so freaking close to the real thing. I can't tell the difference. It's so good. To eat ramen without cooking it, actually pretty popular in Korea to just like snack on. I knew I grew up eating it like that. So to incorporate that into a fried rice, it's just amazing. To eat ramen from the pack itself is a very typical anju, which is food that you eat when you're drinking alcohol, that is. It all works and it's so good. This is so fun. Two of my favorite things, fried rice and ramen. Done.
Did you wear that shirt on purpose?
Because I'm a panda?
Yeah.
In Panda's Kitchen, and we just hit 300 subscribers. Woo! Thank you so much. It's so awesome to like know that like people actually watch the content and enjoy it. So I'll keep on coming out with videos, and yeah. So ramen fried rice, I think you should give it a shot. It's a lot easier than it looks, and you look fancy as hell when you are presenting it. So fancy. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you want to see next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah.